What do you even have to think about yourself today? Like, what is the difference? Where are you? Like, you want to talk about you? The difference is, what do you talk about another individual? Do you talk about another individual? Shame on you. Do you empower them? That's great. Thank you. Shame on you if you talk about somebody else without respecting them. Really, life is about respect. Even a creator or even a God complex. As God is government, government is mind control. That's not the point. The creator that created you with your all natural rights never disrespected you. Ever. Respect yourself. Always.